When I came to this village after marriage, I was nervous and anxious. I knew nobody. That is when I met the local CRP Didi.
And my journey with Ajivika began.
I didn't know what joining the day NRLM SHG meant at the time, but I had finished high school and was keen to learn. For the first time, I met women like me. I was welcomed into the group. We talked, learned to run our group, and save and lend little amounts of money every week. As our SHG grew, we carved out our little space in the village, got a bank account, found solidarity and a common voice. It became a circle of friendship and care. When someone's child is sick, a husband migrates for work in the city, or there's an unexpected need, the group steps up as one. We talk about money, of course, but also about dreams, doubts, and the small victories of everyday life. I matured with the group and we began to feel strong, capable, and confident as a unit. I wanted other women to feel the same and so worked hard to learn new skills and become a CRP myself. As the program grew and our members saw broader horizons, we joined with many others to work as a federation across villages.
A social network that drew strength from our numbers and diversity began to develop.
Every woman brought a different skill, talent, and experience to the federation. CLF and bank loans freed us from the high interest loans of the Mahajans and the commissions of middlemen. With the loans we could take from the CLF, the trainings and mentorship provided by CLF staff and CRPs, we began turning our business ideas into enterprises. Incomes rose by nearly a quarter in some villages, and payments came directly into women's accounts. For many, that first SMS alert was freedom never felt before. Not across generations. The bundle of money, mentorship, and market access gave shape to our goals in a way we never knew existed. As our group matured, we trained to employ better management practices and our entrepreneurial skills grew. Our federations learned to identify marketable products, negotiate prices, maintain transparency, and run their own enterprises. Women became entrepreneurs and job creators. We look at the market with optimism. Better physical and virtual links and new technology can take some of the change to even smaller and more remote villages. And as we grow, we also need to keep growing our skills and capacities so we can truly benefit from operating at scale. Thanks to the CLF melas and meetings at district, state, and even national level, we see what women around India are capable of. Our dream now is stronger federations with capital, mentorship, and technology to grow sustainably. 20 years after moving to my husband's village, I am looked at with respect and as a valued member of the community. I have grown with the group and so has my family. As a president of my local CLF, I want young women to have the same opportunity I did, only better.
I am proud to be among the 9 crore women changing the economic landscape of rural India.